In the warmth of the living room, Mohammed Hussein is sitting on the floor, lost in the joy of playing with his favorite toy airplane. The sound of plastic breaking shatters the piece as the airplane falls apart in Mohammed Hussein's hand. His face contorts in heart-wrenching sorrow, and Mohammed Hussein cries out, "My airplane is broken, Abi." Mirha rushes to his side, enveloping him in a comforting embrace as she whispers promises of a magical surprise tomorrow. Bathed in soft moonlight, Mirha kneels beside her bed, a picture of serenity. The silence of the night is broken only by her soft, earnest prayers. Her voice barely a whisper, Mirha pleads, "Ya Allah, please make something happen tomorrow that makes Hussein happy." The moonlight casts a gentle glow on her face as she finishes her prayer, hope lingering in the air. Quietly, Mira remains kneeling, enveloped by the calm of the night. Sunlight bathes the living room as the family gathers around the breakfast table, their eyes drawn to a beautifully wrapped gift. Ami, puzzled, asks, "Who put this here?" Abu's eyes twinkle with amusement as he replies, "Maybe an angel did." Hussein's face lights up with pure joy as he exclaims, "Wow, my new airplane!" Miha's voice is filled with gratitude as she whispers, "Thank you, Ya Allah."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.